Hello everyone, good morning all. How are you all? Yes, you all are very fine and safe at your homes. Yes, I am very much sure, I am pretty sure that you all are very fine and safe at your homes and doing studies well. Okay, before the starts the study, I want to announce some names because I gave some work to the class 3 students. I am talking about the all students of class 3 है ना. They are watching videos regularly, they are doing their work on regularly, and they, after watching videos means they are doing their work while watching the videos. They are doing फटाफट quicker, they are very quick and fast है ना. तो everybody has to be quick and very fast. Complete your work there and there only. I always remind you, that is, dear students, don't miss the videos. Watch the videos regularly and send your work to your teachers regularly, so your teacher can check and can appreciate you. So today I will announce some names. Those students are doing their work very well, and they are sending me at the same day. At the same day, it means they are watching that video on particular day and they are sending me their videos at the same day. So I want to see, dear students, most of the class 3 students, I don't know you. मैं आपको नहीं जानती हूँ या मैं आपको बहुत कम जानती हूँ, है ना. So suppose I can forget your names or I can forget your names by mistake, but don't feel bad. ओके, आपको बैड महसूस नहीं करना है. डोंट फील बैड. डेफिनेटली आई विल अनाउंस योर नेम इन माई लेक्चर्स बिकॉज यू ऑल आर वेरी स्मार्ट, वेरी सिंसियर एंड वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल स्टूडेंट्स. दिस आई नो वेल, है ना. सो टुडे आई विल अनाउंस सम नेम्स. राजवीर सिक्वर एंड स्मरण एंड काविश, अनस, शर्विल and Atharv, Som. These are the students. They are sending me their work, and Samarth Dubey also. They are sending me their work. So I want to appreciate these students because they are watching the videos regularly and they are sending me replies very nicely. And myself, Aarti Tiwari, I am appreciating them. I always, if you will do good work, definitely I will appreciate you. Okay, so this is your responsibility to watch the videos regularly and send whatever work I gave you, send regularly. So watch the videos regularly, don't miss the videos, and send your work regularly to your teacher, so your teacher can check and teacher will definitely appreciate you as like me, है ना. Today I announced some names like Anas Khan and Sharvil Dindorkar, Som Malve and Smaran and Kavish, Rajveer, Atharv. They done fabulous job, outstanding, superb, wonderful, and they done very very good job, and I appreciate personally, है ना. So please send your work to your teachers. This is my request. So now let's begin today's chapter, today's study. Our chapter number 3, our dresses, is going on very nicely. In that chapter I informed you, I give you many information about our dresses, about our climates, about the states, है ना, of our country. What is the national outfit for women in India? What is the traditional outfit? What are the dresses for women? What are the dresses for men? And names of some states, famous dresses of some states, headwears, and all these things. Yes, dear students, we have done all these things in our chapter number 3, our dresses. But once again, I want to take a quick recap, a jhatpat recap, a fatafat recap. See, recap is very much necessary. When you will watch the serials on television, that time you will see the recap ना, कल क्या हुआ था. Have you seen the recap? And when the serial will over, जब serial आपका finish हो जाता, that episode will over. That time what you will see? What you will see? What? कल देखिए, मतलब अब तक क्या हो चुका है या कहानी अब तक, और कल आप क्या देखेंगे, है ना. So these two is very very necessary part of the teaching side. That's why in my all the lectures I always took all the recap. Whatever we have done in our previous lecture, I always reminds you, because we are not connectivity with you is directly. We don't have connectivity directly. We are not connecting. You all are not sitting in the classroom. We teachers are coming and deliver our lectures, but we all are missing you over here in the classes. So that's why we are repeating the things again and again, so you can understand at your homes very nicely, है ना. So once again a झटपट recap, a quick recap of chapter number 3, are dresses. See dear students, why do we need a cloth? Yes, we need a cloth to cover our body. We need a clothes to protect ourselves from all the seasons, all types of seasons, all types of weather. And one more things, yes, we want to protect ourselves for insect bite also. See dear students, we human being have 3 basic needs. We human being have 3 basic needs. First one is food, second one is house, and third one is clothes, है ना. So food we have done in our previous lecture. This is your chapter number 2. Food we have done. Now here I will talk about chapter number 3, food. So cloth is also a basic need of a human being, है ना. Then in this we learnt the habit of the dresses. Yes, habit of the dresses is completely depends on the climate of an area. Habit of pupil is completely depend on what? It's completely depends on the area which we belongs. Yes, see we are living in Nimad, है ना, and Nimad is very hot area. So all the time we all wants to wear light and healthy clothes. Why we are wearing? Because this area is very hot, है ना. So most of the time we are feeling hot, we are feeling very sweaty, so we are using the light clothes like cotton clothes, है ना. People, those who are living in mountain areas, most of the time they are wearing the woolen clothes because they want to protect their body from winter, है ना. So they are using the woolen clothes. Now we will talk about the dresses of women. Yes, first we will talk about the dresses of women. Dear students, have you seen your dadi, your nannies at your homes? They are wearing what? What they are wearing? Yes, usually all the dadis and all the nannies, your grandmothers always wear sari. Yes, your grandmother always wear saris. Yes, so sari is the most common outfit for women in India. Yes, see, look at me, I am also wearing sari. This is my uniform, this is my school uniform, and in form of what? But in form of sari, in form of sari, है ना. So sari is the most common dress of woman in India. When your mama will go in any party, in any function, definitely she will wear her the best sari, है ना. She will not wear the salwar kurta and all. She will wear her best sari for that party, है ना. So sari is the most common dress and most popular dress in India for women. But the wearing of the sari, the style of wearing is different in all the areas of India. The style of wearing is very much different, है ना, in all over the India. Suppose if I am living in Maharashtra, I will not wear this type of simple sari. Then which pattern I will follow? I will follow the Maharashtrian pattern. I will not follow this plain pattern, है ना. Then if women, if I will live in Gujarat, then which pattern I will follow? Have you seen that serial Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma? In that serial, have you seen the character of Daya Ben? Yes, Daya Ben, the wife of Jethalal. She belongs from Gujarat, है ना. So which type of sari she always worn in that serial? She always worn the colorful Ulta Palla sari. Yes, always she worn colorful Ulta Palla sari, and she always follow the food habits. Why? Because she is followed the food habits of Gujarat, because she is playing a character for a Gujarati woman, है ना. So that's why she is follow all these things, है ना. So this is the about women dresses. Now I will tell you some names of the traditional dress for women. Okay. Yes, salwar kameez with dupatta is very famous in Punjab. Ghagra kurta with orni is very famous in Haryana. I already told you. Have you seen that movie Sand Ki Aankh? In that movie, Bhumi Pednekar and Taapsee Pannu, they played a very famous shooter role in that movie, na. So what they won in that movie, Taapsee Pannu and Bhumi Pednekar, they won the kurta and the ghagra with orni. Orni is the headwear for women in Haryana. So that is the name of the traditional dress of Haryana. Then ghagra choli is very famous in Uttar Pradesh. Ghagra blouse with orni is very famous is in Rajasthan. Lehenga choli and orni is in Gujarat, and mandu blouse is very famous is in Kerala. Yes, so this is all about the traditional dresses. Apart from these dresses, we are also follow some dresses. We follow some more dresses. Why? Because these tradition we follow from the Western, है ना. This is all about our traditional dresses. But apart of these dresses, we are also wearing the jeans, t-shirt, capri, shorts, skirts, evening gown, frocks, है ना. So from where we adopted all these culture? We adopted all these culture from Western. ये सारा हमने विदेशों से सीखा है ना. These all are not the attire of our country for women. These all are the attire which is very famous in Western area, which is very famous in foreign countries. But we adopted all these things because we feel very comfortable and cozy when we will wear all these dresses. That's why we adopted all these dresses in our culture, है ना. So this is all about the women dresses. This is all about the women dresses. Now I will give you some information about the men dresses. Yes. First I will tell you the names of the traditional outfit for man in India. Yes, definitely dhoti kurta, kurta pajama, kurta lungi, shirt lungi, chudidar pajama with fancy kurta and all. So this is the famous outfit for man is in India. But again we adopted the culture from the Western. हमने विदेशों से भी कुछ culture adopt किया है. That's why our papa and bhaiya and all the men are wearing the trousers, shirt, jeans, t-shirt, shorts, track suit, है ना, jacket, blazers, coat. These all are the names of the men dresses apart from the traditional dresses. Traditional dresses तो होती ही हैं, but these all are the names of the Western outfits. This culture we adopt from Western, है ना. Then we talked about we talked about some states, and we talked about the names of the famous dresses over there. Like we talked about the West Bengal, Kashmir, Punjab and Rajasthan. Kashmiri people are wearing the long loose coat which is called fahrans. Yes, which is called fahran. Yes, and the Tamil Nadu people lungi. Lungi is called what? Lungi is called vesti in Tamil Nadu, है ना. Then we talked about the headwears. Yes, headwear is very also important part of the dresses. Then we talked about the pagdi and the Rajasthan pagdi and the Himesh cap, the embroidery cap. Yes, so we have done all
the cap of the chapter. Now today we will talk about, yes, traditions. पुराने समय में जब इस धरती पर बहुत कुछ नहीं था, मैन ही हुआ करते थे, नेचर के साथ, प्रकृति के साथ साथ मैन ही हुआ करते थे. देन व्हाट दे यूज्ड दी लॉन्ग लीव्स. दे यूज्ड दी व्हाट? दे यूज्ड दी लॉन्ग लीव्स. बड़ी बड़ी सी लीव्स यूज करते थे. फॉर व्हाट? टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर body. To protect their body they use the long leaves. वो क्या यूज करते थे? What they use? They use the long leaves. तो बड़ी बड़ी पत्तियां यूज करते थे अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए. They used the long leaves, है ना. पर जैसे जैसे समय आगे बढ़ता गया वैसे वैसे उन्होंने नई नई चीज़ों को अडॉप्ट करना शुरू किया, नई चीज़ें सीखी, हंटिंग करना सीखा और फूड को, खाने को कुक करना सीखा. खाने से पहले उन्होंने खाने को पकाना सीखा. हाउ वी कैन ईट फूड विदाउट कुकिंग एंड आफ्टर कुकिंग, सो दे गेट द डिफरेंट टेस्ट. पहले तो वो ऐसे ही फूड को खा लेते थे विदाउट कुकिंग, बट फिर उन्होंने आग में उस फूड को पकाकर खाना सीखा तो उन्हें टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा लगा, है ना. एज लाइक दैट उन्हें वो टेस्ट खाने का बहुत अच्छा लगा. इसी तरीके से फिर दे विल गेट दी स्किन ऑफ द एनिमल. और उसके बाद लीव्स के बाद आफ्टर लीव्स दे यूज्ड दी एनिमल्स स्किन्स लाइक लायन, लेपर्ड, डेयर एंड ऑल दी स्किन्स. वो उन्होंने एनिमल्स की स्किन्स को यूज करना स्टार्ट किया. दे फील मोर कंफर्टेबल रेदर देन द लीव्स. जब उन्होंने एनिमल्स की स्किन को क्लोथ के रूप में अडॉप्ट किया तो उन्हें बहुत अच्छा लगा. दे फील मोर कंफर्टेबल, मोर कोजी रेदर देन द लीव्स, है ना. तो फिर उन्होंने क्या किया? एनिमल्स की स्किन्स को ही पहनना शुरू किया. देन दे आल्सो वेयरिंग द हेडवेयर. वो भी अपने सिर पर एक हेडवेयर पहनते हैं, उनका खुद का हेडवेयर होता है. एंड देयर इज दी सम हैंड्स फेदर इज देयर इन देयर हेड्स, है ना. दे आर मेकिंग द बेल्ट, दिस टाइप ऑफ बेल्ट ऑन देयर हेड्स. दे आर मेकिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ बेल्ट. They are making this type of belt and this type of feathers. This type of feathers they are wearing on their hats, है ना. So they are also wearing the headwear. They are covering their body with the animal skins. But nowadays tribes became educated. But आजकल के जो आदिवासी हैं उन लोग भी थोड़ी थोड़ी एजुकेशन ले रहे हैं. दे आर ऑल्सो एजुकेटिंग, सो दे आर ऑल्सो यूजिंग दी क्लोथ्स विच वी आर यूजिंग. वो भी उस तरह के क्लोथ्स यूज़ करना सीख रहे हैं जैसे कि क्लोथ्स हम लोग हमारे रेगुलर लाइफ में यूज़ करते हैं. बट वन मोर डिफरेंस is among us is that sometimes we can forget our tradition or sometimes we can lenient with our tradition. कुछ समय में हम अपने ट्रेडिशन को थोड़ा सा ढीला भी छोड़ देते हैं. बट दे आर वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट विद देयर ट्रेडिशन. दे विल नेवर फॉरगेट देयर ट्रेडिशन. दे ऑलवेज फॉलो देयर ट्रेडिशन. दे ऑलवेज फॉलो देयर फूड हैबिट्स. दे ऑलवेज फॉलो देयर क्लोथ्स हैबिट्स. दे ऑलवेज फॉलो देयर सॉन्ग्स. उनका अपना एक स्टाइल होता है खाने का, उनका अपना एक अलग स्टाइल होता है डांस करने का, उनके अपने ही अलग अलग स्टेट्स के अलग अलग फोक सॉन्ग्स होते हैं, उनका अपना अपना फूड हैबिट होता है, उनका अपना अपना क्लोथ हैबिट होता है ना. सो दे दे फॉलो. हम तो कभी कभी उसको थोड़ा ढीला छोड़ देते हैं, कभी कभी हम फॉलो करते हैं, कभी कभी थोड़ा सा यार ठीक है आलस कर जाते हैं, सुस्ती पाल जाते हैं. बट नो, tribes are not be lenient with their tradition, with their culture, with their food habits, with their cloth habits, with their songs, with their folk songs, folk dance. They always follow their folk dance, they always follow their food habit, they always follow their cloth habit, they always follow their dance, folk dance. हर states का लाइक मणिपुर, नागालैंड, त्रिपुरा, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, मेघालय, है ना, ये सब के जितने भी ट्राइब्स एरिया हैं सबके दे आर फॉलोइंग देयर फूड हैबिट्स, दे आर फॉलोइंग देयर क्लोथ्स हैबिट्स, दे आर फॉलोइंग देयर फोक डांसेस, दे आर फॉलोइंग देयर ओन ट्रेडिशनल सॉन्ग्स, है ना. तो ओनली लिटिल इंफॉर्मेशन इज रिटन इन योर बुक. इतना आपकी बुक में ट्राइब्स के बारे में थोड़ा सा ही लिखा है. दैट्स वाई वी आर नॉट गोइंग वेरी डीपली, इसलिए हम बहुत ज़्यादा डीप में नहीं जा रहे हैं. आई थिंक दिस मच इंफॉर्मेशन इज इनफ फॉर दिस चैप्टर और फॉर योर एज, है ना. व्हेन यू विल गो इन फर्दर क्लासेस, व्हेन यू विल गो अहेड, व्हेन यू विल गो इन 4 and 5, then you will get more information about the tribes, about their livings, about their food habits, about their clothes, about their dance, about their folk songs, about their culture, about their tradition, about their marriages. You will get all these information when you will go in next classes, है ना. So I think this information is quite enough for you. Early man was using the leaves, है ना. Early man using what? Early man was using the leaves to cover their body, because covering our body is very much necessary. If we cannot cover our body, then definitely we will feel first shame, and how we can protect our body from the winter, summer and rain. So it is very much necessary, and it's time to sing. जैसे जैसे समय आगे बढ़ता गया, they learn how to use the animal skin as a cloth. Then all these tribes learn how we can use the animal skin as a cloth, है ना. Then they start using the animal clothes. Then they start using the animal skin as a cloth, है ना. So and they starts the follow the food habits, follow the cloth habits, है ना. But nowadays tribes are being educated. आज वो भी थोड़े थोड़े पढ़े लिखे हो रहे हैं, थोड़ा नॉलेज आ रहा है, टेक्नोलॉजी के कारण उनको नॉलेज मिल रहा है. सो दे आर ऑल्सो फॉलोइंग दी फूड हैबिट्स एंड द क्लॉथ हैबिट्स एज लाइक अस, है ना. सो आई थिंक दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज क्वाइट इनफ फॉर यू. नाउ वी विल लर्न अबाउट दी सम स्पेशल ड्रेसेस. We will learn about the some special dresses. What are the special dresses? See, when you will see a policeman, when you will see a doctor, when you will see a lawyer, when you will see an astronaut, when you will see a dancer, है ना, when you will see a nurse, when you will see a ward boy, when you will see a traffic police, when you will see a farmer, when you will see a plumber, when you will see a chef, how you can identify them? How you can identify them? आप उनको कैसे पहचानते हैं? हाँ, what is special in those people? What is the special in those people? What is the common thing in those people? How you can identify this is a policeman, this is a doctor, this is a nurse, this is a ward boy, this is a lawyer, this is a farmer, this is an astronaut, this is a chef, this is a dancer, this is any celebrity, this is a student, this is a teacher. How you can identify? How you can identify? This question is raised in your mind. आपके दिमाग में कभी ये बात आती है, कभी क्वेश्चन आता है कि why they people only wear some special dresses? Why we all not wearing the uniform as like policemen? Why we all not wearing the uniform as like doctor? Why we all not wearing the uniform as like nurse? Why we all not wearing the uniform as like postman? Why we all not wearing the uniform, wearing the suit as like an astronaut? Why? Because every pupil has a special work. Every people has a special work, and according to their work, they won the dresses. According to their work, they won the dresses. According to their jobs, police wala definitely he or she will wear the worthy of policeman. Soldier obviously he or she will wear that soldier worthy, है ना. A pilot has the different, है ना. A pilot has a different outfit. Why is it so? ऐसा क्यों है? क्योंकि इन सब के अपने अपने अलग अलग काम है. And according to their jobs, according to their work, according to their field, they has to wear these type of outfits. So we common people can identify easily. Yes, he is a policeman, he is an astronaut, he is a kuchipudi or Bharatanatyam dancer. That's why she won dress like this. Yes, definitely he is a liar. That's why he won black coat. Yes, he is a doctor. That's why he won the white coat with stethoscope. है ना? So we can identify the pupil according to their outfit, and those people, they are doing the special jobs. Definitely they all wear the special uniform. Yes, when you will see any other school children, how you can identify? When you will see any other student of the other school, how you can identify कि यार ये आदित्य स्कूल का बच्चा है, नहीं ये तो अभ्युदय का है, नहीं ये तो महर्षि का है, अरे नहीं ये देवी रुक्मणी का है. How you can identify? How you can identify? You don't know his or her name. Personally you don't know his or her. आप उसको नहीं जानते हैं, but you can identify. नहीं, she is a student, he is a student of that particular school. How? कैसे पता चलता है? Because uniform देखकर you can identify that particular child according to the uniform. Yes, school students also wearing the different school uniform, है ना. अपने अपने स्कूल के अकॉर्डिंग हर स्कूल का स्टूडेंट उस स्कूल की यूनिफॉर्म को फॉलो करता है. ठीक है. So we can identify the students according to their, we can identify the student and the schools also by what? By identify their school uniform. And see, this is my school uniform, this red blouse and this green and red sari. Last year also I won this, and this year also. This is my uniform. But Maharshi school is not following the same uniform. Devi Rukmani is not following the same uniform for their teachers. है ना? So this is the school uniform of GPS, which I won now. है ना? So anybody can be identify. When I will go in the market na, anybody can identify. Ma'am, are you doing job in Gokuldas? आप गोकुलदास में जॉब करती हैं? Then I asked, how you come to know? Ma'am, you're wearing that uniform na. This uniform belongs to GPS. That's why I can identify you. You are the staff member of GPS. So by the uniform we can identify, we can recognize the pupil and their work. है ना? So this is all about. And one more very important thing. Uniform shows what? Uniform shows what? This question is definitely raised in your mind. Uniform shows what? Uniform shows what? See, I am going to rub this and I will write the name over here. Yes. Uniform shows what? This question definitely आपके दिमाग में ये question आना चाहिए. This question is definitely raises in your mind. Yes. यूनिफॉर्म शोज व्हाट, यूनिफॉर्म क्या बताता है? यूनिफॉर्म शोज द सिमिलैरिटी अमंग अस. यस डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यूनिफॉर्म शोज द सिमिलैरिटी अमंग अस. यूनिफॉर्म हम सब के बीच में सिमिलैरिटी को बताता है. एवरीवन इज इक्वल. देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन यू एंड मी. देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन यू एंड योर फ्रेंड. देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस गर्ल एंड दैट गर्ल. नो, यूनिफॉर्म शोज द इक्वालिटी. यूनिफॉर्म शोज द इक्वालिटी, यूनिफॉर्मिसिटी. यूनिफॉर्म शोज व्हाट? इक्वालिटी, इक्वल, बराबर, एक जैसे. नो वन इज लाइक दिस, ना कोई बड़ा ना कोई छोटा. एवरीवन इज इक्वल. एवरीवन इज इक्वल. सो यूनिफॉर्म शोज इक्वालिटी. यूनिफॉर्म शोज similarity. Uniform makes us similar. Uniform makes us equal. No one is chota, no one is bada. Everybody is equal in the school. All the students are same. All the students are equal for a teacher. सारे बच्चे टीचर्स के लिए एक जैसे होते हैं, है ना? So uniform shows the equality. And the last paragraph. This paragraph I will going to explain. Then we will finish the chapter. We will finish the chapter. Special dresses. Special dresses. Special dresses. Yes. Yes, special dresses. Now we will discuss about this point, special dresses. What is the mean by special? फर्स्ट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ स्पेशल. यहाँ पर आपको स्पेशल का मीनिंग अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्पेशल? हाँ, स्पेशल मीन्स व्हाट? स्पेशल मीन्स कुछ अलग हटके. स्पेशल मीन्स कुछ अलग हटके. सो आई एम थिंकिंग दैट इन आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल डिस्कस on this point, special dresses. In our next lecture we will discuss about this point, special dresses, because my time is going to over. My time is going to over. मेरा पीरियड खत्म होने वाला है. So we will discuss about special dresses on our next lecture. On our next lecture, है ना? But I am giving you a little work. If you can do, no, let it be. चलो जाने दो. This time I am not giving you any work. Next time when we will learn about these special dresses, then I will give you a special task. That time I will give you a special task. तब मैं आपको एक special task दूंगी. When we will discuss about the special dresses. जब हम last paragraph of the chapter about the special dresses learn करेंगे, then I will give you the special task. Why I am giving you the special task? Because we will learn about the special dresses. So I will give you the special task. I will give you the special task. So till that, bye bye from my side and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Keep study. Keep reading the chapter so you can understand nicely. And one more request. By the mistake, if I forget to announce your name, please don't feel, because I know you all are very smart and intelligent students, है ना? So if by the mistake, if I forget to announce your name, please don't feel bad. Okay? In next lecture, next time, definitely I will announce your name. Next time I will prepare a list. According to that list, I will announce your name. This is my promise to you. So till that, bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless. Keep watching, keep study and keep learning. So bye bye from my side.